Learn English have in Gujarati.
હોવું. મારી પાસે છે.
And more. Welcome to the Bag of Have. Hey, you are about to learn a very useful family of English and Gujarati words. Today, everything is about having things, finding things, and dramatically discovering that the thing was in your pocket the whole time. Welcome to our tiny comedy lesson on the word, have. In English, we start with, have. In Gujarati, the base word here is,
હોવું.
You will also hear practical possession phrases like,
મારી પાસે છે.
for, I have.
તમારી પાસે છે.
For, you have.
અમે પાસે છે.
For, we have, and.
તેઓ પાસે છે.
For, they have. There is also the super useful word,
છે.
meaning, there is, or, is, depending on context. So take a breath, grab your imaginary backpack, and let's see what you have. Or in today's spirit,
હોવું.
your first treasure words. Let's meet the key words slowly and clearly. You do not need to memorize everything at once, just enjoy the rhythm. English, have. Gujarati.
હોવું.
English, I have. Gujarati.
મારી પાસે છે.
English, you have. Gujarati.
તમારી પાસે છે.
English, we have. Gujarati.
અમે પાસે છે.
English, they have. Gujarati.
તેઓ પાસે છે.
English, there is. Gujarati.
છે.
And because your learning list also includes a few unusual grammar card forms, here they are exactly as given. You have, as.
Du habest.
He have, as.
Hab.
And, she has, as.
Sie hab.
They are unusual, yes. But language learning sometimes gives you a strange sandwich, and today we eat the sandwich. A silly story in a very full backpack. Now you will hear a short, funny chapter. Listen for the target words each time they appear. I arrive at the train station with one backpack, 3 snacks, a notebook, and the confidence of a person who definitely packed correctly. I tell myself, I have everything. In Gujarati, that is.
મારી પાસે છે.
My friend looks at me and says, are you sure? You once traveled with 2 socks and no shoes. Fair point. Still, I proudly repeat.
મારી પાસે છે.
Then my friend checks their pocket and says, good news, you have the tickets. That is.
તમારી પાસે છે.
I check my pocket. No tickets. I check the other pocket. Also no tickets. I check the snack pocket. Only peanuts. My friend laughs and says it again, slower.
તમારી પાસે છે.
Finally, I discover the tickets are inside my notebook, because apparently I organize my life like a confused magician. Soon the rest of our group arrives. We ask, do we have water? One friend lifts a giant bottle like a champion and says,
અમે પાસે છે.
Another asks, do they have the map? And points to 2 travelers across the platform. Yes.
તેઓ પાસે છે.
They also have snacks, umbrellas, and an energy level that makes me suspicious. Then we look at the departure board. There is a train. In Gujarati.
છે.
There is hope.
છે.
There is still time.
છે.
There is, unfortunately, also a pigeon sitting on my backpack like it paid for a seat. At that moment, I remember the base idea, to have.
હોવું.
To have snacks, to have tickets, to have patience, to have dignity while a pigeon judges you in public. All of it begins with.
હોવું.
Mini dialogue drill. Let's practice with quick, spoken lines. You can repeat after each one if you want. A. I have a book. B.
મારી પાસે છે.
A. You have the key. B.
તમારી પાસે છે.
A. We have time. B.
અમે પાસે છે.
A. They have enough time. B.
તેઓ પાસે છે.
A. Is there water? B. Yes.
છે.
A. What is the Gujarati base word here for have? B.
હોવું.
Bonus oddball card from the list. A. What expression means you have? B.
Do habest.
Another one. A. What is the card for he have? B.
A hab.
And one more. A. What is the card for she has? B.
Z hab.
Memory tricks that are slightly ridiculous. The brain loves weird images, so let's give it some. If these feel silly, perfect, that means they may work. Imagine a giant glowing backpack labeled
હોવું.
If the backpack contains everything you remember, have. 4.
મારી પાસે છે.
Imagine yourself saying, my stuff is with me. Your bag, your keys, your snack, your dramatic travel face. 4.
તમારી પાસે છે.
Picture a friend searching everywhere for glasses that are already on their head. You tell them, kindly but heroically.
તમારી પાસે છે.
4.
અમે પાસે છે.
Imagine a whole team holding one tiny pencil and celebrating like they found ancient treasure. 4.
તેઓ પાસે છે.
Picture a group pulling endless items from their pockets. Maps, books, fruit, maybe a lamp, maybe a spoon, maybe a second smaller group. 4.
છે.
Point at something real near you and say, there is. Yes, object exists. Congratulations to the object. For the unusual card.
Do habest.
Imagine a duck saying, do, while carrying 10 shopping bags. Strange? Yes. Memorable? Also yes. 4.
A hab.
Imagine an old grammar robot pointing at a flashcard and speaking in dramatic fragments.
A hab.
4.
Z hab.
Picture a woman holding 10 hats and saying, with complete confidence.
Z hab.
Quick quiz time. You are doing great. Now answer in your head, or out loud if you enjoy confusing nearby people. What is the Gujarati word here for have?
હોવું.
How do you say, I have?
મારી પાસે છે.
How do you say, you have?
તમારી પાસે છે.
How do you say, we have?
અમે પાસે છે.
How do you say, they have?
તેઓ પાસે છે.
How do you say, there is?
છે.
What is the unusual target card in the list for, you have?
Do habest.
What is the unusual target card for, he have?
A hab.
What is the unusual target card for, she has?
Z hab.
Your tiny speaking challenge. Now it is your turn to build a few mini sentences. Keep them simple and strong. Say, I have a book. Then say the key Gujarati phrase.
મારી પાસે છે.
Say, you have time. Then say.
તમારી પાસે છે.
Say, we have water. Then say.
અમે પાસે છે.
Say, they have tickets. Then say.
તેઓ પાસે છે.
Point at something near you and say, there is. Then say.
છે.
Finally, whisper the base verb one more time.
હોવું.
Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work today. You learned real useful phrases, and you survived the duck, the robot, and the judging pigeon. Thank you for learning with me. Today you practiced have with.
હોવું.
I have with.
મારી પાસે છે.
You have with.
તમારી પાસે છે.
We have with.
અમે પાસે છે.
They have with.
તેઓ પાસે છે.
and there is, with.
છે.
You also met the special list forms,
Do have ust, a have,
and.
sie have.
Keep repeating the phrases out loud, use them in tiny daily sentences, and come back tomorrow for another round. You are doing great, and yes, now you have some very useful Gujarati.